Peeps is there. Dumpling and butter ready. So full of steam. Yo, me I tell peeps so I go on here. Full of steam, you see it? Oh. See? Oh, right too. Alright, my peeps, welcome back to another cooking video. We're going to have some dumpling and butter, so some caramel right there. See, butter, we're going to add a plantain to it. So I'm going to show you step by step. Remember, dumpling and butter. Simple, natural recipe. Everybody's supposed to eat this already. Everybody's supposed to eat dumpling and butter. Right now, I don't want to meat still. I'm tired of meat. Just eat. It's like a simple, natural cooking to the idea. May I say? Remember to subscribe. Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack on YouTube. Please like and share. Peeps, I can't do it out. Big up to all of you. Big up to the viewers. Big up to the likers. And big up to the supporters who comment and share. Big up to you all of you, peeps. Make me feel proud. We're going to add some pimento, pepper, and garlic to the water. Like these, right? So we're going to lock it back, it won't boil. Alright, my peeps, starting by peeling my plantains, like these. Showing step by step. Remember, say a plantain, dumpling, caramel, and butter. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. You see it? Peel just like banana. You have to be a professional chef like these, can peel these like these. Right? See everything come out clean, you see it? Clean like a whistle. Starting by rinse off my grater, right? Because you don't know anything can scrap on it. So you have to rinse it off and then run it out like this. Alright, my peeps. Starting. You can see the grate of the plantain, right? The recipe I got nice, man. Eatable, tasteable, delicious. Remember to like and share. Alright, my peeps, I'll add some salt to it. Some people already put the salt in the flour in the butter. We just put a good tip of salt, make it taste so you can see plantain grater, you can see caramel and the flour, so I'm going to knead it up now. So when I say, yes, I'm going to put a good tip of salt to it. It has good taste. Some people put the salt in the water, but me just put it little like the flour same and put little in the water. Alright, my peeps, see it a boil, some of the typical salt. Glory. See there, it a boil some typical salt in the water now like this. Yeah, like go and boil again. So I'm going to mix it up together like this. Mix it up like this together. Combine like this. The plantain blend in the flour and the caramel. So I'm going to add some water to it like this, not really enough. I'm going to mix it, stir it well. Alright, my peeps, you don't need out already there. Step by step, me I'm showing it. Starting by kneading the dumpling like this. I'm going to more part like this now. Now what about outside the rain are falling because you don't know dumpling and butter they are rain. So I say, I don't really want to meat today still because I don't really feel for no meat. Every day I be a meat. I'm going to change the recipe more time on. I say it's some simple natural thing, you see. Everybody name dumpling and butter. Anybody name dumpling and butter, them not burn it. This is a must, dumpling and butter. You hear that? The recipe I got nice, man. Just like and share, please, and subscribe. Remember, Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Yeah, my peeps, them there. Alright, so we're going to stir them because we don't want them itching up. So you have to stir it. A trick boy dumpling, if you don't stir it now, when you start cooking right way, I go itch up, so I'll show you step by step is it. Yeah man, remember. Yes, my peeps, now test the pot and see what I go on. Take a some steam. So wait for steam and fly out it, you see. You can see. Alright, see what I go on right now. Yeah man, see it there. Plantain dumpling them here. So them look different. Dumpling are nice and eatable. Yeah man, plantain dumpling with corn meal is it. Yeah. So I have to make them boil proper because plantain have to boil out, you know. Yes, so that's boil proper because it will stain if you don't boil proper, you see it. Let them go on the next 10 minutes. Alright, my peeps, like them ready and now, you see it. Yeah man. So them look. Yeah man, I tell you, say you have beer in a fall outside in the month. So right time to eat them dumpling in the month. Plantain dumpling with butter. It's a recipe I go you right on mother run water. You know I'm hungry right now. You know start. Yo, give them 2 more minutes and go and cook them, man. So all them soak right way, man. Proper, you know. Yeah man, because we not cook no para pot, you see it. Alright. Alright, my peeps, you dumpling ready now. Yeah man, ready and now you see it. It's a recipe ready. My peeps, see there. Dumpling and butter ready, so full of steam. Yo, may I tell you, John know that just slide off. And buy plantain dumpling and butter. You know what I say? So I go eat it now. My peeps, so I go on here. Full of steam, you see it? Oh. See? Oh, very cool. Like a pour. Dumpling and butter, delicious. Very cool. Close,